Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Of course. What can I help you with?
I need to check in for my flight.
Certainly. Which airline are you flying with?
I am flying with your airline today.
All right. Are you checking in for a domestic flight?
Yes, I am flying to New York.
In that case, the check-in area is just ahead.
Thank you. I was not sure where to go.
That is no problem. You will see the check-in kiosks first.
Can I check in at a kiosk?
Yes, you can. However, you can also speak with an agent if you need help.
I think I would like some help today.
Certainly. Then you can come to the check-in counter.
That sounds easier for me.
All right, please come this way.
Starting the check-in.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I would like to check in for my flight.
Certainly. Where are you flying today?
I am flying to New York.
All right. Have you already checked in online?
Yes, I have. I checked in on the airline app this morning.
That is helpful. Do you already have your boarding pass?
Yes, I do. I have it saved on my phone.
Perfect. Then we only need to check your travel details and your bags.
That sounds good.
Before we continue, may I see your photo ID, please?
Yes, of course. Here is my ID.
Thank you. Please give me a moment while I check your reservation.
Certainly. Take your time.
All right, I found your reservation.
That is good to hear.
Everything looks correct so far.
Great. What do we need to do next?
Next, I need to ask you about your baggage.
Talking about checked bags.
Are you checking any bags today?
Yes, I am checking one suitcase.
All right. Is this the suitcase you would like to check?
Yes, this black suitcase is mine.
Okay. Please place your suitcase on the scale.
Certainly. Should I put it here?
Yes, please put it right there.
All right. Is the weight okay?
Yes, your suitcase is within the weight limit for your ticket.
That is good news.
Do you have any other bags to check?
No, I only have this one suitcase.
All right. Then I will prepare the bag tag for you.
Thank you.
I will attach this tag to your suitcase.
Does the tag show where my bag is going?
Yes, it does. It connects your bag with your flight information.
I see. That makes sense.
I will also give you your baggage receipt.
Should I keep the receipt?
Yes, please keep it until you collect your suitcase.
All right, I will put it in my wallet. Checked bag or carry-on?
Now, I can see that you also have a backpack.
Yes, I brought one backpack with me.
Are you planning to check that bag as well?
No, I would like to take the backpack onto the plane with me.
That is fine. Then it will be your carry-on bag.
I understand. So my suitcase is my checked bag and my backpack is my carry-on bag.
That is correct.
I sometimes confuse those two terms.
That happens quite often. A checked bag goes into the aircraft's baggage area.
And I keep my carry-on bag with me.
Exactly. You take your carry-on through security and onto the aircraft.
That is much clearer now.
By the way, you should check your airline's carry-on rules before you travel.
Yes, I checked them before I packed.
That was a good idea, because size and baggage rules can depend on your ticket and airline.
I wanted to make sure my backpack was okay.
It looks fine for your trip today.
That is a relief. Using a mobile boarding pass.
You mentioned that your boarding pass is on your phone.
Yes, I downloaded it after I checked in.
Could you show it to me for a moment?
Certainly. Let me open the airline app.
Take your time.
Here it is. Can you see the barcode?
Yes, I can see it clearly.
Do I need to print a paper boarding pass too?
You do not need one for your trip today, because you can use your mobile boarding pass here.
That is convenient.
However, would you like me to print one as a backup?
Actually, that would be helpful.
No problem. I can print one for you.
Thank you. I sometimes worry about my phone battery.
That is understandable.
Where should I keep the paper boarding pass?
Keep it somewhere easy to reach.
I will put it with my ID.
That sounds like a good plan.
So now I have both versions.
Exactly. You have the mobile version and a paper backup.
Asking about the seat.
Before I finish your check-in, let me confirm your seat.
Sure, which seat do I have?
You currently have an aisle seat.
Actually, I usually prefer a window seat.
I understand. Would you like me to check whether one is available?
Yes, please. I would really appreciate that.
Certainly. Let me check the seat map.
Thank you.
There is a window seat available farther back in the cabin.
That would be fine with me.
Would you like to change to that seat?
Yes, I would like to change to the window seat, please.
All right. I have changed your seat.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Your new seat number is shown on your boarding pass.
I see it now.
Since I changed your seat, your mobile boarding pass should update as well.
All right, I will check the app again later.
That is a good idea.
I am glad I asked about the window seat.
It never hurts to ask when another seat is available. Using a self-service kiosk.
I noticed several machines near the check-in area.
Those are self-service check-in kiosks.
What can passengers do at those kiosks?
The available options depend on the airline and airport, but passengers can often check in or print travel documents there.
Can passengers also use them for checked bags?
At this airport, eligible passengers can use the kiosk to print their bag tags.
How does that work?
First, you scan your boarding pass at the kiosk.
And then what happens?
Then, the kiosk guides you through the next steps on the screen.
Does it print the bag tag for me?
Yes, it does for eligible trips here.
What do I do after I attach the tag?
After that, you take the tagged suitcase to the bag drop area.
That seems quite simple.
It usually is. However, you can always ask an employee for help.
That is good because I have never used one before.
In that case, an employee can show you the first time.
I think I will try it on my next trip.
That is a good way to become more comfortable with the process. When the boarding pass will not load.
Excuse me, I think I have a small problem.
Certainly. What seems to be the problem?
My boarding pass is not loading on my phone now.
All right, do not worry. Let me see what I can do.
I had it open a few minutes ago.
Sometimes the app or internet connection can cause a temporary problem.
What should I do in that case?
Since you are already checked in, I can look up your reservation.
That would be very helpful.
May I see your ID again, please?
Yes, of course. Here it is.
Thank you. I found your reservation.
Can you print another boarding pass for me?
Yes, I can print one for you.
Thank you. That makes me feel much better.
Here is your printed boarding pass.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Your mobile boarding pass may start working again later.
In that case, I will keep both options.
That is a good idea.